Welcome to Just Tech Me At. In this video, we'll explore 3 popular tools that are widely used in the field. Those tools are PyTorch, Scikit-learn, and Tensorflow. Whether you're a beginner or just starting your journey into the world of machine learning, these tools will provide a solid foundation for your learning. We will walk through the basics of these tools, their key features, and how to get started with them. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. PyTorch. PyTorch is a powerful open-source deep learning framework developed by Facebook's AI Research Lab. It provides a seamless interface for building and training neural networks. In PyTorch, we can create a simple neural network using its intuitive syntax. We define the model architecture, set up the loss function and optimizer, and then train the model. PyTorch also supports GPU acceleration, allowing you to leverage the power of graphics cards for faster training. With PyTorch, you can easily create complex computational graphs and perform efficient tensor computations. Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is a versatile machine learning library built on top of NumPy, SciPy, and Matplotlib. It offers a wide range of supervised and unsupervised learning algorithms, as well as model evaluation tools. Let's look at a simple example. Classifying flowers with the famous iris dataset. With just a few lines of code, you can load the data, split it into training and testing sets, choose a model, like a decision tree, train the model, and make predictions. It's that easy. Whether you're dealing with classification, regression, or clustering tasks, Scikit-learn has got you covered. Tensorflow. Tensorflow is an open-source machine learning framework developed by Google. It provides a flexible ecosystem for building and deploying machine learning models at scale. To illustrate, let's consider a basic neural network using Tensorflow's high-level API called Keras. We can define layers, compile the model, train it on our data, and evaluate its performance. TensorFlow also comes with a powerful visualization tool called TensorBoard, allowing you to track and visualize your model's training progress. With TensorFlow, you can easily create and train deep neural networks, and deploy models on a variety of platforms. And there you have it. A brief introduction to PyTorch, Scikit-learn, and TensorFlow. These tools are essential for anyone working in the field of machine learning. I hope you found this video informative and it inspired you to explore these tools further. Thank you for watching. For more tech videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel justtechmeat.com. See you next time.